Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I'm coming to you with another haul video. I ordered this during the Cyber deals from the Happy Planner and it came. So I finally gave in and bought the Grateful Heart Be Happy box. That's one of the boxes I've never had, so it has so many things. It's really lovely. It has a guided journal, sticker, value pack washi, filler paper, this beautiful sticker. It has binder clips and organizers. I will open it to show you guys because it's truly lovely. I'm just opening it up to kind of see. So it's a little round container with thumbtacks and that, and then there's washi. So there's 3 types of washis. One has numbers. One is, I'm just gonna roll that up. I'll show you at the end a little bit more. There's just some notes. There's a checklist, stencil. And I used to use this so much, it's good to have another. There's a sticker book, filler paper, and a guided journal. So I want to go ahead and go through all of these. I'm going to get the packaging out, and we can go little by little and explore all of these items. So, pouch, there's so many little things. It's really great. There's a sticky notepad, push pin set, there's that, and then we have this beautiful journal, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this looks like. So it is a guided journal. I really like the cover. So you have the page of thoughts, and then you have reflection, gratitude, and reflection, gratitude, and then you have again some reflection pages, just thoughts. This is the next divider, this is the following divider, and this is the back. So that's what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and go through the stickers with you guys really quick. This is such a lovely book. It's very, like a very neutral. And it has a lot of great boxes, so I was really interested in getting this sticker book and being able to use it very soon once Christmas and New Year's is over, because right now the majority of sticker books on my desk are basically Christmas and New Year's, and that's how it's going to be for the next couple weeks. Okay, so there is that sticker book. So it is truly lovely. And these items, it's a huge Be Happy box. Usually they're not that big. The second item I got in my Happy Mail, I will show you, is few more items from the Happy Planner from their huge sale. So I got 3 Mambi sticks. One is the Mickey and Minnie, the princesses, and another Mickey and Minnie. They were just very inexpensive, and I love my big stickers, as you guys know. And this is the recipe sticker book. It's been around for ages. I just really like using it, especially in my wellness planner, so, and recipe planner. So I ordered another one because the weekly menus are super cute, and then the stickers in the back are super cute as well. And Happy Planner doesn't have that many food stickers, so this is one of those books that I use frequently. So that's just another one. And then Wild Styled, the newer version of it, I got another one because I couldn't find where I put the original one where I ordered. And of course, when I already ordered this and it was shipped, I found my original one. But that's how life works, and that's okay. So I found it. We're good to go. It's here. And it's all good. And such a lovely book. And again, so neutral that I'm sure I'm going to be able to use it again. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!